Okay, let's just wait a little bit for people to come. Okay, no one's coming. I think let's start. And today we are going to learn uh, how to detect faces with OpenCV, and what is the face detection, and what is the difference between the face detection and the face recognition. We're going to learn this. Okay, let's start with what we have learned at the previous lessons. At the previous lessons, we have learned that image processing and how computers can understand pictures with using OpenCV Python. We installed Python, we installed our libraries, we read display and edit images. Like we changed their colors, resize them, and crop them, and by now we can open an image, work with it, and uh, prepare for face detection. We are ready for do the face detection. Okay, let's start with the difference between face detection and face recognition. And these are two different terms. These are not the same thing. Face detection and face recognition are not the same thing. Face detection means finding where a face is are, and or in an image or in a video. Imagine like you have a group photo. Face detection detects the faces in that group photo, but face recognition is a different thing. It's one step away, and it tries to understand uh, the which person is it in the picture. Like, uh, for example, when your phone unlocks it, looking at your face, that's a face recognition. That's not face detection. Okay, let's continue. And the software, the OpenCV software, the Python, the computers use maths and machine learning to do this. And we are going to use an OpenCV to do this. Okay, let's start. We're going to do face detection with hair cascades in OpenCV. OpenCV has something in very useful. Uh, this hair cascade is a built-in classifier. We are going to learn how to use this, and we are going to detect the face together. And this built-in classifier is analyzing thousands of photos of faces, and it learns. So that's the machine learning, as I said. Okay, let's start coding. Okay, let's import our library. Okay, we are going to let's write it. I'm gonna write the code first, and I'm gonna explain it later. just mm, okay, this is the um this is the built-in OpenCV's built-in uh, cascade classifier, as you see, and you can see that in the GitHub open source code. We are using, where is it? We are using frontal face XML. As you see, it's open. You can check it. Okay, let's continue. We gave our, okay, let's try it on an image. YouTube, we are gonna read it, read the image. Going to do Professor by JPEG as we do the previous lesson. Okay, let's make it color gray as we do again in the previous lesson. Okay, let's continue. That was color BGR to gray. It's gonna be that. Okay. And right now, I'm going to create a variable again called faces, face, cascade, detect, multiscale. I'm gonna say what is it later after I write the codes. Okay, let's continue writing. Okay, in faces, okay, CV2 rectangle, image, then okay, this is not, and y plus h, gonna do, and okay, and let's continue. Detected faces. I'm gonna call image variable here, and we're going to keep open the window, and we're gonna close the windows. Okay, let me explain it to you right now. The first line, as you see, as I said, that's basically a built-in file that contains all the rules for what the face looks like. It learned by people what faces, so it can detect faces. Okay, as we see, we read the page, and alright, and here we the face detection that built-in comes with OpenCV is works better with black and white colors. That's why we change the image color as gray. Okay, let's continue. The multiscale code is a function that and this function scans the image at different sizes and positions to find faces, so that 1.3 means how much the image is scaled down each time the algorithm looks for a face, and the number 5 means how many neighbor rectangles need to agree before it decides it's really a face. It controls that it's a real face or not. That's the number. So, and this is the most basic thing. Uh, it uh, it is the coordinates of your face, like it's the right and left is the up and down, and this the your face's width, and this is your face's height, as you know, and this is the thing. Okay, and we uh, give our windows a name, and let's start it. Yes, as you see, Rafa uh, Silva's face coordinates rectangle by cascade classifier built in OpenCV. Okay, let's continue. Um, we're going to do real-time face detection right now. Okay, let's continue. And I'm gonna write the code first and then explain it like I just do. Okay, I'm not gonna, I cannot open my webcam right now. It's not working well, so I'm gonna download a video. I downloaded already, as you see at the left of the screen. And let's start. We're going to let's delete this. Let's delete this. Okay, we're going to add video. That's why I delete the image. I'm going to change these also. I'm gonna explain it. Okay, going to write CV2 again. Video capture. It's a new function. And we're going to give our relative path in here with like in this. Okay, and we give our built-in and software in here as I said, and we're going to open a loop for I'm gonna explain it. Okay, we opened it. We're going to do this. Okay, and we're gonna write red frame with red. I'm gonna explain it as I said. We are changing it. changing it. We're changing image with frame. This frame means every photo that comes up, every photo comes up and builds a video, as you know, and all the frames builds a video. So this is gonna look all the frames of the video and detects the face every frame. Hope I clearly explain it. Okay, let's continue. We're going to take it still, and we're going to do this, of course, again. Rectangle. We're going to change this image frame, as I said, and okay. Let's call our window man looking at camera, and we're going to change image frame again. Every photo that builds video frame is it, as I said. And we're going to do we're going to add one more thing to here. We're going to do a thing that when we press Q, a button on the keyboard, the video is gonna close. Let's write that code. If CV2 wait K, we're gonna delete this by before. We're gonna do 1 because it's a video, it's not a photo. Okay, let's write it. Code. I'm gonna write like this. Equals. I'm gonna write Q button because when we press the Q, it's gonna close. We forgot to add something. We're gonna add the end symbol. Okay. And when we press the Q, it's gonna break the loop and close the window. And we're gonna, of course, let the video please to see it. Okay, CV2 wait K. I'm gonna write it wrong. Okay, let's roll the windows. As I said, I explained everything while I'm writing. Okay, let's try it. But before I try, I want to show that video that I downloaded. By the way, I downloaded from the pixels. You can find every photos, every videos here. You can choose videos and man looking at camera, for example. As you see, there's tons of photos. Can use it. Is that not? Okay, I downloaded it from pixels. Where is it? Is here. It's here. That's a video. As you see, man's face is clearly clear in that video. So let's start our code. Let's debug. As you see, man's face detected by OpenCV built-in classifier, as you see. And let's press the Q button. As you see, it's gone because we close the window. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next lessons. And what we will learn next lessons, we're going to learn Ultralytics YOLO library, one of the most powerful object detection models in the world, by the way. Okay, see you in the next lesson. Thank you for listening to me. See you.